What's up everyone? So today I am unveiling the rest of the project for the Tacoma. If you guys saw in the last video, I showed you what wheels are going on the truck. But today we're in the R8 right now. I haven't made too many videos with it after we got the exhaust on it. But if you remember, I came to this road yesterday and did a somewhat off-roading in the truck and said this would definitely be a great road for the R8. So we are back and we are going to listen to how awesome this exhaust sounds on this back road. All right, I think that's enough for the Audi clips today. What do you guys think? It sounds so good. This is a perfect road. I haven't seen anybody down this road at all today. So if you're sick of the R8 already, which I don't know why you would be, we're gonna get home and unveil the other two parts for the Tacoma. So let's roll. All right, so we just got back. I got everything out of the garage right now because we're gonna do the unveiling inside the garage. What do you guys think of that road though? It was very, very short. I got to open it up a good bit though, and then taking the truck a little bit off-road. Hopefully you guys saw that video. But we're gonna head up to my place because they deliver the packages right to my door, and then we'll bring them down to the garage and check them out.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sun.
One more. All right, so that's 3 minutes and 10 seconds for one flight. Here we go. It's definitely much easier. 70 pounds a pop. Hello.
Hello. I have some tires now.
They're heavy. Yeah.
What are you putting them on?
My Tacoma.
I love Tacomas.
Yeah.
I should have bought one instead of my Jeep.
Well, it'll be the next couple weeks here, they'll be on.
They're nice hard.
Close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent.
That's a lot of work. These are like 70 pounds a piece, and it's a good workout for sure, but where's the lift? All right, so there's the lift. Comment down below, you guys. What do you think could I possibly have in that box? What lift kit, what size, what brand? It had a spare box to it for another part, but it all fits in that one box. So before we get to that, comment down below, what do you think it is? We'll move on to my new tires. These are Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I went with 33 12.5 with an 18-inch wheel. If you missed the previous video unboxing the wheels, I'll have that link down below. I'm not gonna reveal them or unveil them again in today's video, so take a look at that. But what do you guys think? They're pretty much up to my hip, if you guys can see that. They're absolutely massive, very aggressive, and I read that these are a hybrid tire, so hopefully they'll be quiet on the road and then give me all of the off-road performance that I'm looking for. you guys are gonna be a little disappointed as much as I am. The whole kit is actually not here. I'm missing some parts. So I'm gonna have to check on tracking and see what's up with that.
2,000 years later.
So now that I have the rest of the kit, I went with a full Old Man Emu setup. I'm gonna go over all the parts here. You can configure it how you'd like. This is gonna give me 3 inches up front and about 2.5 inches in the rear. The coils that I went with are the 886. They have the highest weight rating at 690 pounds. And then I went with the 9,000 nitrogen charged sport shocks. Those are the stiffer option. You can get a softer suspension, but I did read that aftermarket suspensions tend to be on the softer side, which is why I went firm, and I can add more weight to the truck and not have to worry about that. I'm gonna pair those to the 1/4 inch top plate spacers. They mount right about here. That's gonna give me another 1/2 inch lift. You can opt for 1/2 inch spacers, which will give you another inch, but I didn't wanna go that high, especially since I'm not dropping the front differential just yet. These are the rear shocks. These are standard. You don't have an option for those. I'm not gonna open them up just yet until we get to the install on that. Here are the SPC upper control arms that I got. You can see all the hardware on them. I read that the stock upper control arms can start to rub on the coils itself, so I didn't wanna take that risk. You can see, well, you'll see in the before and after the install how much different they look compared to the stock ones. And then this is my rear lift. This is a 3-leaf add-a-leaf pack, rather than just getting a single leaf and adding it to the stock ones. I believe that I don't think I have to replace the stock ones, but if I add this to the stock setup, that will give me the 2.5 inches. If I just do this by itself, I think it's 2 inches. And then also going this route, instead of just doing a single leaf or even doing blocks, this will allow me to put a lot more weight in the bed of the truck. I've read that they are going to be smoother on-road, and then they're actually gonna give me a lot more off-road performance. So depending on the articulation, these leaves have certain ratings on them to be able to do that and also carry a lot of weight in the bed. So that's why I just went ahead and got these. And of course those come with the extended U-bolts and all of the hardware for that. So it's a very well put together kit. Again, you can piece this however you'd like. This is gonna be an awesome project. I can't wait to see this come together along with the tires. In this video, I'm gonna bring one of the tires out to the truck so we can at least see it, get an idea of how they look against the truck. But comment down below, what do you guys think of this project so far? All right, so here we go. Seeing how these look against the truck. All right, so here we go, guys. What do you think? These things are absolutely massive compared to the stock tires. I cannot wait to get these on. Look at that. They are so aggressive. We'll get a back shot real quick just to see how much wider they are from back here. They're definitely gonna rub. I'm definitely gonna have some other modifications to do to fit these properly. But let me know what you guys think. Look at that kind of sneak peek side profile there. Oh, it's gonna look so good.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Comment down below, what do you think? How do you think the truck is gonna look with the new tires, the lift, and of course the wheels? It's gonna happen in the next couple weeks here. I still have to kind of get everything scheduled and then get the lift on. Brian and I will be doing that ourselves. Hopefully it's gonna be in the next week or so. If you guys enjoyed that video, give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video.
The radio too.